Welcome to the MedWing, the place to go when you're out of options and you need medical care stat. This is a fully modular, 3D printable sci-fi medical station terrain set for support-free FDM 3D printing. It's designed for 28 to up to 40mm tabletop wargames, skirmishes, RPGs, or maybe even just a cinematic diorama. And if, like me, you also want separate buildings, we've got those covered too. From the reception, you can visit surgical theatres and scanners, medical or back-to-tank facilities, cybernetics and general wards, private wards and consulting rooms, a morgue, quarantine facilities, and a research lab, complete with blood spatter, broken tanks and cloning towers. The MedWing seamlessly adds on to Outbound Station, the habitation ring, my last Kickstarter, and it uses the same GridForge system. You can add a second level even for more options. GridForge makes it so easy to swap around and reconfigure for every adventure. The options are literally infinite. To make painting easier or to print in Multicolour, many of the parts are split into pieces. For example, the wall panels slide in or out. We're even including a free gift. Check out this research lab desk. So what will you get? Easy to print, optimised, support-free STL files for FDM. You won't waste time, just put them on the slicer and print. It's affordable and high quality. It's highly detailed models, equipment, walls, floors and scatter. And it's expandable. Future Kickstarters and other creators use the GridForge system. So back now to get your hands on the MedWing. And remember, the early bird offers only last for the first 48 hours.